check in with David for a look at our weekend forecast.
Beautiful day. That's all I could really say about today, and you could just see it looking at our Kinnick Skycam. You can see just down here a little bit of haze, but overall pretty nice outside. Temperatures are still in the middle 70s. And dew points, they're only in the mid 50s. That's making it pretty nice out there. Almost feel like fall weather just a little bit before we get another round of heat later on. We'll talk about that here in a minute. But for now, let's kind of look at the air quality index. We can see still better than yesterday, but unhealthy for those who may be immunocompromised or small children as well. So make sure to limit your time outside if you are going to be having any activities tomorrow morning, possibly at the farmers market as well. So let's kind of time out how the smoke will move. This is Friday at 5:30. Starting now, we'll see it mostly pushes off to the east. For the most part, it starts to clear out and thin out, especially by the farmers market tomorrow morning. However, we could notice some thicker bands start to make their way through our area. They will be spotty most of the time, but we should see after Saturday. Sunday will move on in, and that's when we start to see some real clearing of at least the lower grounds to the ground smoke. Temperatures throughout the rest of the day have been nice as well, just making it an overall just a beautiful day, and we'll see those cool temperatures as we go throughout the rest of the night as well. Temperatures will drop down into the low 50s. We'll see mostly clear skies, a low of 54. It still will be hazy, especially as we get higher up into the atmosphere. Most of that hopefully will not mix down to the ground to affect breathing problems as well. So let's kind of time out the rest of this out with your predictor. We can see those winds start to come from the northwest. Eventually they'll shift around. We could see some spotty clouds tomorrow morning, but I think the bigger story, you'll look up and you'll see some hazy skies. Most of that will stay up in the air. Some of it could reach down towards the ground, but overall we're just going to keep staying dry, and that'll be because of the high pressure that we're seeing here. That'll keep us from getting any rain or shower chances as we go throughout the next few days. Could see some more clouds build in, but for the most part it'll be hard to support rainfall, and we definitely do not need the rain here just because of how filled the rivers, streams and creeks have been over the last few days. So our precipitation forecast thankfully does show just a little bit less of precipitation, so we can hopefully dry out those streams. Looking at our extended, we could see temperatures staying in those 70s throughout the weekend, but then we'll slowly start to warm up as those winds start to turn south. We'll start to push up that humidity value as well, and we'll have storm chances going out by the rest of the weekend.